Welcome, this is Biji Philip from MES Adikrantiveer Vasudev Balwant Phadke Vidyalaya English Medium Sector 6 New Panvel. In this lecture, we are going to learn English grammar future tense. Future tense means it expresses what is going to happen. Like the other two tense, it is also divided into four categories: simple future, future continuous or progressive tense, future perfect continuous or future progressive tense. So let's see simple future tense. It is shown by the auxiliaries will or shall. The auxiliary shall is used chiefly with the pronoun I or we. The formula is subject plus shall or will plus verb. Examples: I shall write the answers later. It shows the future action. I subject, shall write, that is the simple future. Okay, along with the I and we have to use shall plus verb form. Rest of the cases, that is you, they, he, she, it, we have to use will. Example: the exam will begin tomorrow. He will reach the school by 10. They will come in the evening. We will pray for your health. See, here we used will along with we. Otherwise, what we have to use? Shall. So, will is used with the I and we to express certainty or promise. Okay. Let's move on to future continuous tense. Again, its formula will be subject plus shall or will plus beb plus present participle. I shall be eating mangoes in the summer. Future action. So pick out the future continuous tense means shall plus be plus ing form. Shall be eating. We shall be visiting you in a day or two. Along with I and we have to use shall. Okay? Always remember that. They will be coming next week. The Mankala Express will be arriving shortly at platform number 2. Okay? Subject plus will plus be plus present participle. Present participle means ing form of the verb. The actor will be inaugurating the function tomorrow. Identify the tense. The tense is future continuous tense. So, how do you understand this is future continuous tense? Will plus be plus present participle. Okay. Clear? Next case, future perfect tense. It is used to denote an action expected to be completed by a certain time in the future. The formula will be subject plus shall or will plus have plus past participle form of the verb. Example: I shall have left the school by March 2021. Future action. I shall have left. Future perfect tense. Shall have left. Okay. Now, we shall have eaten before the class starts. We shall have eaten before the class starts. You will have completed your report by evening. They will have enjoyed at the party. She will have started a new job by end June. All these examples shows future present tense. How do you identify this is future tense? So, we shall or will plus have plus past participle form of the verb. Okay. Let's move on to future perfect continuous tense. Again the formula subject plus shall or will plus have plus been plus present participle. Okay, it is used to denote an action which will begin but may continue for some time in the future. Examples: I shall have been writing since morning. Shall plus have plus been plus present participle. This you should always remember the formula, then you can identify the tense easily. Shall plus have plus been plus present participle or ing form of the verb. He will have been walking for hours. He will have been walking. They will have been studying long hours for the exams. Will plus have plus been plus present participle or ing form of the verb. We shall have been playing since morning. She will have been exercising for over 2 hours. Okay, students, I hope you understood. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you, children.